It's been a long week. Uh, Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving kind of weekend. Hopefully, you guys maybe got some shopping done on Friday or Saturday, and I guess Cyber Monday is coming up. I wasn't able to get a whole lot done this week, but um, I did get a few things done. So we're just gonna kind of go through the footage and take a look at it, and I'll kind of give you an update and show you what I've got going on. So first things first, um, got all the drywall sanded. I think that was on the last video, and so next was the primer. So let's take a look at that. Man, so things are kind of starting to shape up a little bit. Got primer up on the wall, which is one step closer to getting this thing painted and getting it done. Pretty excited about that. My drywall didn't turn out too awful bad. There's some spots that still aren't perfect, but I don't do this professionally, so I'm just doing my best and just kind of doing the DIY thing. So next step is doing something with this stairwell. So after getting all the priming done, which really didn't take a super long time, the challenge was the stairwell. It's got a high ceiling and got to get paint up there. Had to put a new light. Needed to put a new light up there. So kind of had to get creative with facing that challenge. So let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, got this old telescoping ladder here. Bought it kind of just for the moment for this project, but I'm sure it's going to have other uses in the future. But it allowed me to get up, towards the top there and get all that kind of cut in. Still had to, I took a brush and um, attached it to the end of an extension pole here, and that kind of gave me the extra height that I needed. First of all, I'm not very tall, but anyway, so I was able to get all that stuff cut in at the top, at least where I can roll it the rest of the way. And then also got this new light installed, much better than the old one. So next step, I guess, is getting it painted the rest of the way. All right, so as you can see, was able to get that light up and also kind of cut in with some paint around the top there in the stairwell. Having that ladder helped. Some people may not think it's the safest thing, but it was the only way I could do it, and try to be as safe as possible. So now the next challenge is going ahead and getting everything else painted. Should only have to put one coat and then maybe just go around and kind of touch up some places, but let's see how it looks. So the next part, had to get up on the ladder, get all the high places there in the stairwell. I'm not afraid of heights, and I'm not afraid of ladders, but a ladder on stairs, yeah. So I'm just glad that OSHA wasn't around to make sure I had a safety harness on. So take a look. Alright, y'all, as you can see, it's all paint. Every single bit of it. That was such a pain. I tell you what, I hope I never have to paint that again. I know there's some spots that don't look super great. We'll see how it looks when it dries, but I tried to get it as best as I could. It's wet right now, but I know I tapped the ceiling a couple times too, but it kind of is what it is. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. Got some cool things coming here in the next couple weeks. Definitely getting a new computer. The one that I have is not designed in any way for video editing or anything like that. So it literally takes hours and hours to render even short videos. So I'm hoping that the new rig will be a little bit better, and I'll be able to process that and edit that stuff a lot faster. Got some barn doors coming up. Those are I'm gonna start on those tomorrow. Now that some of the other projects are done, I know I've had some people ask me, you know, hey, you're pushing to get this basement remodel done, but you're doing other jobs and stuff too. Well, those other little jobs is kind of what funds doing the basement remodel. So gonna have to fit those in as well. But I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I know another thing too. It bothered me that I know I set a deadline, a goal to have that basement, pretty much all the construction, everything done by Thanksgiving. Obviously, that didn't happen because Thanksgiving is Thursday and today is Saturday. So yeah, it didn't get done. But that's life. That's just the way that it is. And so you got a couple of choices. You can either like sit and sulk about it, and I mean, yeah, I feel disappointed, but sometimes you just got to get up and move on and take care of business and put it behind you, and keep moving forward. So that's what we're going to do. So anyway, um, that's it. And yeah, it's been cold here in Missouri. I don't know where you guys are at, but it's starting to kind of feel like winter. So uh, we'll be doing some wintertime stuff here pretty soon. Hey, that's life in Missouri. You guys have a great weekend.